Hello everyone! Welcome to Cmallforhappylife channel. Today's video is all about propagating foliage begonias from cuttings. I'm sharing this based on my own experience. Whole leaf cutting. Cut the leaf with a short piece of stem, petiole, attached. Prepare and plant and your cutting medium. Either akadama soil or dry moss will work well. And have a pair of scissors ready. Make sure to sterilize the scissors before use to prevent infection. Pick a mature, healthy leaf from the begonia, no signs of damage or disease. The leaf should be firm and fully grown for the best results. Trim off most of the leaf, leaving only the stem and a little part of the leaf. If you're using dry moss as the cutting medium, soak it in clean water first, then squeeze out the excess water. Next, take a small seedling cup and fill it with moss. Dig a small hole in the center, insert the leaf stem about 2 centimeters deep, and gently place the moss around it without pressing it down. Keep it loose. When using akadama soil as the cutting medium, dig a hole in the center, insert the leaf stem about 2 centimeters deep, and then water it gently. Find a container that can hold water and place the seedling pots inside. Let the water sit about 1 centimeter deep. Then cover each seedling with the top half of a plastic bottle, like this. A plastic juice bottle works perfectly. Place all the cuttings in a warm, bright spot with indirect sunlight. Avoid direct sun. Remember to check the water in the container. Keep it at a depth of about 1 centimeter. It will take about 3 to 5 weeks for the roots to grow. This time is related to the temperature. If it is warm, you can usually transplant it in 3 weeks. This was taken 3 weeks ago. This red Rex in terrariums was taken 3 months ago. See, it's easy. Give it a try. That's part of the fun of growing plants. Happy planting! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It really helps me make better videos. Thanks again.